Once again, let's talk about these tariffs and how Trump can't do them. So the US, what is it? The US Court of International Trade came out and basically ruled like, nah, bruh, you can't do this. You don't have the power to. The stupid things you say don't make it true. You don't have the power to do all these tariffs. And yes, he can do some tariffs. There is, I can't remember the name of the policy, but he's able to put like a 10 or 15% tariff on ones. But the way he's doing them, his mass tariffs are like, oh, we're going to do 50% on this one, 64% on this one. That's bullshit. He can't do that. He doesn't have the authority. And really quick before I get more into this, yes, I've been away for the past week. Actually have medical issues going on, severe nerve pain going from my neck all the way down to my fingertips on my left arm. It's made it very unenjoyable to try to record these. I try to make it look like I don't have any pain while I do them. But yeah, so I might be a little spotty on here for a while. But yeah, no, these tariffs absolutely cannot be done. So of course, Trump's going to do what he always does. He cried out to Supreme Court via Truth Social saying, oh, Supreme Court needs to do something about this. And let's see, is our Supreme Court going to be rigged again and just be unconstitutional like Donald Trump and just allow him to have this God power still? This God power, which is just getting more and more every time they grant him a legal victory. It needs to stop. Supreme Court needs to do something. They need to, I don't know, slap him down. Put him in his place. Do not let him have the power to destroy the financial lives of U.S. citizens, because we're the ones paying that. Yeah, there are times where companies could just absorb it. No company is going to do that. No company can do that. It's going to destroy them. Like, I mean, Microsoft, Apple, ones like that, they can. I mean, they have all the money in the world. Google can. They have all the money in the world. But a lot of companies, like your local grocery store, they're not going to. I mean, I live in a place where there's a bunch of corner stores. And some of them do import stuff from like Mexico or from other like Hispanic countries. And they can't afford to keep doing that. Like that, their prices are going to have to just skyrocket because of that. It's like papayas right now, or like a cheap one is $5. Papayas are more mainly grown in the southern hemisphere. That just seems to be where they grow the best. So yeah, they have to import them up here. They get more and more and more expensive. A few years back, they were about $3. They're already $5 and going up. There's some places that sell them for about $7. And the only reason I know this is because my wife likes papaya. I mean, it stinks, but she loves it. But yeah, it's really got to stop. We need to do something about this tariff issue. Get it under control. We've known for years tariffs are not a good thing. I mean, hell, Nixon tried to do them. And what did they do? They did terrible things. They raised prices. It causes inflation. It's a tax on the U.S. citizens. So, Supreme Court, you're probably not going to hear this, but if any of you do, use some thought. Like, think about the people of this country, not some crazy fascist dictator, but think about the people of this country, not someone who's sold out to other countries who gift him things, or Putin who's just his daddy. Like, think about us. Think about the people who have to pay for this. We're not all millionaires. A lot of us live paycheck to paycheck and struggle beyond that. I mean, it's bad enough the one big beautiful bill is cutting financial aid to people like food stamps. It's cutting Medicaid. It's gutting it. Like, it's trying to make Medicaid people pay the same price, like get charged the same amount that we do on private insurance or through our company health plans and all that, which is like 250% more than a Medicaid patient. So you want them to pay that much. So basically, the cap of Medicaid is going to get cut, like going to be hit super fast. And then what? They all have to pay out of pocket? Like, that's messed up. So yes, do something nice at least for us. If you're not going to help us with a big, beautiful bill Medicaid cuts, which are just insane, help us with tariffs. Tell him no.